Hi, it's Hannah and Lou with WTI.
We were looking for a really good crate that was perfect for at-home use, but also was convenient for travel. And this one by Yurnomy does exactly that. So a couple things that make this super convenient, especially for travel, is all the sides open. So you have one on the small side, one on the long side, and on the top. So especially in your car when it's packed up and you don't have a lot of space, it is so nice to be able to get to Lou without having to unpack everything. It's also very convenient for travel or if you just want to store it in the corner when you're not using it. It has 4 buttons. It compacts into this narrow little thing. It has snaps and handles, super easy to travel with. One concern I had with this is Lou is still a puppy, and so he likes to chew and claw everything. And so I was worried with this mesh he would rip it. He has tried to rip it. He has scratched it. He has jumped on top of it and it has held up, no damage at all. So I am super impressed with this. If you need a crate, this one is great.
But that's just our point of view.